Hello everyone and welcome to .NET Core Central. Today we are going to discuss about feature of LINQ, and here I'm talking about the set operations. Consider you are working on a real project and handling multiple datasets, trying to find out duplicates, matches or differences. Maybe you are in the process of cleaning up user data or matching record across database. Now we can definitely use loops and if and else statement, but LINQ makes this kind of operation a breeze. So let's consider an array with duplicate records. So we can create var items equal to now we can declare an array of int and it has some duplicate numbers. For example, 2 is coming twice, 5 is coming twice, 4 is coming twice. So we want to dedupe this, and this can be done extremely easily using var items dot, and you can use distinct, and now we can just print it out. Right line string join, and now let's run this, and we should see exactly what is expected, which is distinct number from 1 to 9. So we see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 as expected. But let's consider a more practical scenario. So let's say you have emails as an array, and let's consider here abc@yahoo.com, yz@yahoo.com, and something at the rate gmail.com. So these are the three email addresses that we have. And our objective to find out users with unique email domain. So if we do dot, and we can use distinct by, and we can split by at rate, and we take the one, and we do this. We can see just yahoo.com one time instead of two, though we have abc xyz and something.gmail.com one time, and same thing we can do if we have xyz at the rate com. We'll see only two, just two. And now it's printing out the first one, which is fine. We are not worried about. We just wanted to know the distinct email IDs by domain. Next, let's have a situation where you need to find items that exist in one list but not on the other. So let's do it here itself. So you have items, and then you can have another int array, second list, which is 1 10 0 11. So the goal is to find out the item that is in one list but not in the other. So if we say find everything in second list except the one in the first, and we can do write line string dot join. And let's print this out, and let's just comment this section. I need another. Let's run this out. And here we can see we did not get 1 because 1 exists in both of them. So we got 10, 0, and 11. 1 is removed because we said give everything from second one except the one on the item. So it removed 1. So this is another extremely handy feature, and this can be used practically. Let's say if you have an active user list and inactive user list, and you want to remove the ones in the active because they are already part of inactive user list. This is where it can be really helpful. Let's demonstrate this. Var active users equal to, and let's create a user here. We can create a public record user. Age should be int. Okay, now we can create a active users. I can say user array. So these are active users, let's say. Similarly, we can create user array, inactive users, and here copy paste this. And then inactive users has 1 and 3. So now if we want to find out only the real active users, we can say var only active is equal to active users dot accept by, and we can here do inactive users, and we have to find the key. So key is going to be here. We want to find on the name, and then we can say for the outer one, let's name it as. And now if we do console dot write line, we can print out the all users dot select name. Let's just print out the names of the user. Let me get rid of this one. This got added by mistake. Now if we print this out, we are saying except by inactive user's name for active user. So active user has 1, 2, inactive users has 1 and 3. So it's going to exclude 1 and just print out 2. That should be the response here. And if we run, we can see 2 as the response as expected. So that's the second one, which is in the set. The other one we can talk about is intersect and intersect by. Now intersect by will behave same as intersect, but let's do this. Let's say for this one itself, if we want to do, first let's do here the intersect. So if we have to do intersect, then we can do intersect, and we are doing second to intersect with item. We want to find out things which intersect, which is just 1. So if we run this for the fast response, we should see 1, and that's what we are seeing here. We're seeing 1. And then here, if we do intersect by, intersect by again works similarly, takes an enumerable of the key and then the function. So we are saying by name and function. And now because we are doing intersect, we are going to see only one in the output for the next one also. So if we run it, you can see we see one here. And the final one that I wanted to cover is union and union by. Union, as you understand, it will union both of the collection. So we'll see union. And here we're going to say union by, and union by, we don't need this. We just need the collection, and based on what we are going to do union by. And then if we run this one, as expected, we're seeing 1, 10, 0, 11, and then it will start from 2, 3, because 1 is common, so it's not going to show 1 twice. And here also, given that we are doing union, it's going to take 1, 2, and 3 as expected. And remember that they are all deferred execution. So it's better to use, if you are using a collection multiple times, it's better to use array. And if you are getting data from database as enumerable, just convert it to an array and then run as many operation as you want. So that is all I wanted to cover for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel and you think you are getting value out of this channel, please subscribe to the channel. And thanks so much for watching this video.